Okay, good morning and welcome to another video. We're at Stafford today on the West Coast Main Line. There's going to be plenty of freight. There you can see a London North Western service to Crewe, so we'll see quite a few of them. There's also Avanti West Coast and cross country as well. So there will probably be a few clips that are silent, or not silent, just no commentary. Just didn't have time to set everything up, but yeah, we've already had one freight come through going to, I believe, Trafford Park, and also there should be in the video a clip from Crewe of 256s on a RHTT, the track cleaners. So yeah, let's see how we go. Okay, leaving us now is the London North Western Railway service to Crewe from London Euston. We've got 35239, and on the back there's an 8-car service. We have 35245. Okay, next up is another London North Western Railway service. It's 35375 going from Birmingham New Street to Liverpool Line Street. It is just a 4-car service, only an 8. I will be probably doing more freight than passenger today, just to keep it as varied as possible, so it's not too many Pendolinos and 350s all at once. Okay, next up is an Avanti West Coast 390 Pendolino. It's 390006, and that's going to London Euston, I believe, from Liverpool Line Street. I may just double check that now. Hopefully as well today you'll appreciate a bit of better sound quality. Finally got a microphone attached, so hopefully that should be a little bit better for you. So, as I say, that's 390006 coming in now. Okay, so next up is a Freightliner 66. I believe it's from Felixstowe to Garston. There's 66533. Okay, so passing through now is an Avanti West Coast Pendolino. It's 390044, the Royal Scots, going from, I believe, Piccadilly to Manchester Piccadilly, sorry, to London Euston. Okay, next through, coming through pretty slowly. It's on the slow lines, but I believe it's going on to the fast now. It's an Avanti West Coast Pendolino 390135, and that's going from London Euston to Blackpool North. Okay, so coming through now, we have an Avanti West Coast Pendolino, first of all, coming through on the fast line there, 392152. And then second of all is a Glass 66 on a freight service from Bollinsmore to Ditton, 66059. What a noise, then I'll flag. Okay, coming through now is another freight service. It's the Freightliner 66. 66529. It's actually running nearly 6 hours late. It's from Felixstowe to Garston. Caught me off guard a little bit, that one. Okay, and now we have an Avanti West Coast, two voyages from London Euston to Holyhead. Coming through on the other side now is a light engine move. It's a Freightliner Class 90 going from Crewe Basford Hall to Wembley. That is 90047. There. Okay, and leaving us here now is 220032. It's on a service to Manchester service. And it's 220007 on the back. Bournemouth to Manchester Piccadilly. Okay, next up is a Freightliner 66 from Crewe Basford Hall to Southampton Maritime Terminal. 6619. So the front of that smells very hot. Okay, so we've got a network rail track machine coming through now up towards, I believe it's going up to Wigan. We are W7002. Okay, coming in now onto the goods loop is a Corliss Rail Class 56 going from Pennock's Branch SO sidings to Crewe Basford Hall. Now this one I don't normally see because every time I'm here they do cancel it, but it doesn't run. So 56078 is today's. Come in and head off to Crewe, run round and head back up. Okay, and now we have 66136 cargo livery going from Trafford Park going to Southampton. Okay, coming through now is the Corliss Rail Class 56. And it's running light engine as it runs around the wagons to head back up north to Crewe. Again, it's 56078. So there you have 56078 heading up to Crewe Bassett Hall. And a good old racket. Okay, next one coming in is a freight service from Moss End to Daventry. It's 88007. Passing through on its way to London Euston. Okay, so this is a little bit early, which means it's caught me out a little bit. This is from Crewe. It's 68003. there, passing through.
The next train to arrive at platform 1.
Okay, so now we've got a double freight coming through, and I'm not sure if I'll manage to get both of them, but first of all, Corliss Rail 7807 went forward to Carlisle. Lane to Wilston. I think it's 325 double away. Okay. Came through at the same time then, so made it a little bit more awkward than usual. Heading through on the fast lines there is another Advanced West Coast Pendolino 390042. Okay, next in is a Tampa. I believe it's Corliss Rail 1. It's going from Rugby Depot to Chester. DR 73942. Okay, next in is another Royal Mail Class 325, and this is just coming from Crewe Depot down here, and then it should be turning around and setting back off later on this afternoon, well, in about half an hour. 325001. Leaving us on the goods line is 325001, heading back to Crewe. We'll keep it rolling as there is another freight due through on platform 4 any moment. It should be from Crewe, Basford Hall to Cliff Farm Quarry. Okay, so it wasn't the freight due next, it is in fact two Avanti West Coast voyagers heading off to London Euston. So on this we have 221114, and on the rear we have 221106. That's actually the Edinburgh to London Euston service. Freight will be due any moment now though. And finally the freight is coming through now. Say DRS 66, and the number is 66429. Okay, next out is 221120. Cross country service from Reading to Manchester Piccadilly. And 220016 on the back. And just as that leaves, the next freight is coming through. It's from Clitheroe Castle Cement freight service, GBRF, and it's 66724. Next up is another freight service. It's a DB cargo service from Moss End to Daventry, and it is 2 Class 90s. And we have 90019, and on the second 90 it's 90026. next out is 35249 from Birmingham New Street to Liverpool Lime Street. And on the rear of this is 35375. Okay, coming across on the fast line there, 39155. I think that actually came through earlier. Indeed it did. 39155 there. Okay, next up, another freight. There it is, definitely so in quick succession. 66075. From Stafford Park to London Gateway. Okay, so we've had quite a quiet spot, but finally something's coming up. Freight line is 66 from Felixstowe to Crewe Basford Hall. See, it's not exactly fully loaded. Okay, so next up is a Trafford Park to Felixstowe Freightliner service. 66562. Flying through that is 39128 City of Preston. And coming in on platform 5, 35263 on its way to Crewe via Stoke-on-Trent. Okay, something a bit different now. Making the channel debut. It is from Woolston to Crewe South Yard. And it is, first of all, we have 768001, the Orion Rail parcels train. So 768001 is now leaving. Former class 319, it has just been converted into a parcels train. Now on the rear is 319373 Northern, I believe, and is also due to be converted. Nice to see something a bit different. Okay, so we have another freight, two in quick succession. Well, one wasn't really a freight, but this one definitely is. 66765 working East Midlands Gateway to C4. Okay, next freight service is another Freightliner from Felixstowe to Trafford Park. 66559. Okay, next up is 390119. West Coast Progress train. 390119 working from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. Okay, passing through on the fast line there is 390039. That is Lady Godiva. Okay, the next freight through is going to be another Class 66 from Trafford Park to Felixstowe. I think this came through first thing this morning, 66709. And I can actually see the next freight service that's coming through as well. Another 66 coming from Wembley reception sidings up to Sunstead sidings. We'll keep rolling while both of them pass through. Makes sense just to keep going. This is the Freightliner and it is 66614. And another freight service, another Freightliner 66, this time from Ditton to Felixstowe. See what we have. 66533. Okay, next up, it's been a bit of a break, but now we have 66589, a Freightliner service. It's from Maritime Freightliner Terminal to Garston. Okay, so we have a couple of 350s here. The first one leaving is 35114 London Euston to Crewe, and on the back is 35236. And just arrived at the same time we have 35124 with a service from Birmingham New Street to Liverpool Lime Street. See what the number is as it leaves on the back. Okay, so 35124 leaves for Liverpool Lime Street. And the train on the rear, 35104. 104, 124 and 114 all in one then. Okay, so there's a Pendolino in platform 1, and coming through is another Pendolino, 39134, heading straight through. So 39134 City Carlisle. Okay, another freight move and another 66. Unfortunately there is a lot of 66s about, but that's just the way of the world at the moment. This is from Totton North Yard to Crewe Basford Hall. It is a Freightliner 66606. Next in is a Freightliner Class 90, it's 90047, coming up from Wembley Yard. Went down earlier, as you may have seen. And although it's empty, I think they are brand new. Brand new wagons on there. And there you go. Okay, so I was saying there was too many 66s about, and luckily enough we now have a Class 70. It's a Freightliner Class 70 from Southampton to Trafford Park, and it is 70002. Making one hell of a racket. Lovely stuff. Okay, 70002 carrying that one, and that does look like it's probably the last movement of today. It has been a very long day, and my train is due in about 10-15 minutes. So we'll just say thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoy making it, and like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll be back again as soon as we can. Thanks very much.